The Sumumtor is a brushless riveter machine. It is easy to use by pulling the trigger. It is a simple press of the trigger for 1 second. It pushes forward, cuts, and done. We're going to demonstrate and show you what the product is about. For example, if you have a door that these pieces fell off, you would take the rivet, stick it in, and secure for a permanent fix. Not just for garage doors, aluminum, and work like so. The rivet gun can be used for just about anything imaginable. By placing the rivet into the hole and into the work area, wood, metal, and so forth, with the press in. We're going to squeeze the trigger in forward. It snaps. Remove. And your rivet is secured. From a provider, the company Sumumtor is a rivet battery-operated gun for automobiles, do-it-yourself, and more. We're going to open up the product and show you what you get inside the packaging of the box and case. It is a blue case with the handle, and you open up, and they got feet that will rest on the table as it opens. It has 3 rivets, 2 21-volt batteries, 1 is a spare, and the package 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16. With the large wrench and rivet tool and the 2 rivet adapters inside the tool, your charging cable and plug, and your 2 21-volt batteries. Protected in a plastic bubble wrap and foam is the rivet gun. It is lightweight, in multicolor, rubber grip, safety, and trigger. It is a cordless rivet gun with the on switch, indicator, and the tool. On the bottom of the tool, the red button, as I pull the trigger, you see the information provided. The owner's manual talks about how to turn the headlight on, how to change the clamp and gun head, needing an optional tool in order to change out, and the rivets and the colors of the unit, the clamp head and the rivet and the drawer push rod and the barrel. And it talks about maintenance of removal of the drawers from the drawer sleeve. 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16. We are set up for the largest size that goes into the unit. And in order to change out to a different size, the thinnest one, you're going to remove it off of the tool. With the tool and the rivet size that fits all, that takes on and off, you're going to have an optional large wrench, grab around the head of the unit, the cone of the unit, and tightly spin off. Once taken off, remove, place on the new head by loosening up the cone head and sliding on. If not loosened up, these pieces will push forward and simply tighten down, and then place on and tighten down. With the large open wrench, tighten down. Ready to use the machine, insert a battery into the forward position and place in your rivet to the hole that you want to lock into place and secure down. We want to show you how it looks from the opposite side when pulling the trigger. And we are completed just like that. This is a battery-operated riveter machine. 21 volt, 2 batteries, charge in a number of hours, and run for a long time. Put 2 pieces of metal together that has a drill hole and to machine repair. Not just for metal, for anything imaginable that you need to use the 3 different size rivets. The cone, the head, and the base all come apart, including the rivet head. Please remember to remove the lightweight battery, and you have the pressure of the machine working over here. You have a light to work in low light situations and more. I hope you enjoy your rivet machine. Charge your battery up by taking the charge cable and plugging it into the area located right here. Once the batteries are fully charged with the red to green indicator, you're ready for the next time of use. Enjoy your product if this is right for your automobile and do-it-yourself needs. Sumumtor Cordless Rivet Gun. Enjoy your product and thank you for viewing.